Ever found yourself cropping a photo in Lightroom and wished you could instantly flip the orientation of your crop selection? Let's dive into how to quickly reverse the aspect ratio of your crop in Adobe Lightroom, saving you precious time and creative frustration. First, ensure you have the crop overlay tool active. You can select it from the tools panel on the right, or simply press the R key on your keyboard. Once your crop overlay is visible, you'll see the selection handles around your image. To flip the aspect ratio from horizontal to vertical, or vice versa, you have two super fast options. The simplest is to click the flip aspect ratio icon, which looks like two arrows pointing in opposite directions, usually located near the crop dimensions display. Watch as the crop instantly reverses its orientation, perfectly adapting to your compositional needs. Even faster, and my personal favorite, is using the keyboard shortcut. Just press the X key on your keyboard. Each press of the X key will toggle between the horizontal and vertical orientation of your currently selected aspect ratio. This allows for incredibly rapid adjustments to your composition without ever needing to touch your mouse. This simple yet powerful trick allows you to efficiently experiment with different compositional approaches, ensuring your subject is framed exactly as you envision. It's perfect for those moments when you're not sure if a horizontal or vertical crop will best serve your visual intent. Mastering this quick flip shortcut will undoubtedly speed up your workflow and enhance your creative process in Lightroom. If you found this tip helpful, give us a thumb up and subscribe for more essential photography and editing insights.